Ito na naman, pag nagmamaaga ako, ang daming kulang. Nakalimutan ko maggupit ng kuko. Pagdala ng tubig, nakalimutan ko rin yung Tupperware ko pang take away.
Hi guys, ako si Rosel, and right now, I'm on my 5th day as a culinary student dito sa Center for Asian Culinary Studies. For this video, I'm going to try something different. Less voiceovers and more on my interactions with my classmates and instructor para ma-experience nyo rin kung anong pakiramdam mag-aral ng Fundamentals of Cooking sa CACS. Tara, game!
Naghahatian na kami ng assignments.
Mayonnaise, deviled egg.
Ang tsaga nito maghalo! Gusto mo talaga?
Ito magmamaster ng mayonnaise. Gagawa to ng mayonnaise company.
Mas marami ngayon.
Ayoko po kasi magluto ng may seafood eh. Hindi ko po pwedeng tikman, may allergy ako.
Sige.
Okay,
Alin
sige.
yan?
Ikaw, girl, ano sa'yo?
Seafood din yan eh. Paella.
Sige, akin na lang to. May seafood eh. Sa ano po, pwede din ako dito sa chorizo.
Ikaw, gusto mo to? Alam, hindi
Papaelya ako. Dito kami ngayon sa kabilang kitchen. Hindi kami dito.
Thanks, chef.
Iba yung kitchen namin ngayon. Medyo hindi namin kabisado paano gumalaw. So magro-roast ako ng bell pepper. Scary! Hindi ako sanay magsunog ng mga stuff. So, ito yung walang kamatayan na onion garlic. Siyempre, laging kailangan.
For the squid, you just need to clean this up. You can remove the cap from the head. What I like to do is just directly cut it right under the eyes. And then dito sa parang tentacles niya, pigain nyo lang siya. Kasi lalabas to. This is yung parang beak niya or its mouth. So you know, may parang plastic yun eh. That's hard to eat. Okay? In some cultures, isa-isahin to. Sa Vietnam, pulutan to. Ayan. Yung parang muscle kung nasan yung beak niya. But for today, it's just scrap. For purposes of our paella, you do not need to remove the shell. But you do need to clean it up. Ang paella, head on, tail on, shell on. You'll know when you touch it kasi matigas na parang hairy na wal. Hindi naman lahat laging na. Wow, swerte mo.
Wala.
Wala. Isisi the wall so that you get a carbonized layer of oil. But essentially,
Ang daming ingredients na kailangan sa paella. But for some reason, natapos ko agad earlier than expected. Ewan ko, hihintayin ko pa rin yung ibang matapos kasi sabay-sabay kami dapat mag-start magluto. So habang free, ikot-ikot muna ako sa ibang stations.
Compilation to ng sinong mga nahiwa.
just hold it for like 2 minutes. That sounds good.
Ano, chef? Thank you, chef.
Chismis sa kabilang group.
Does anyone
Yes!
Okay na kayo?
Ano yung niluluto mo?
Lasagna po.
ano ka lang, wala. Hindi na ba mahirap?
Parang tayo naglalaro.
Gusto ko ma-experience ka. Kasi pag binalikan ko, hindi ko naman ito. Ginawa ko.
Ako ang pa-practicing ko siguro yung Arabics.
Ako din, gusto ko yung gawin sa bahay.
Sa Holy Week.
Tama.
Holy Week gawin natin, di ba? Penitensya yun.
Ang dami natin i-review.
Wala kang lagyan. Wala, pati kubig ko nga, nakalimutan ko
Ilan dapat yung magagawa natin? Wala ko na. Basta... Alula lang mali!
Wala na silang scissors na.
Teka lang, maghuhugas ako ng ako. What is that? Hi! For the deviled eggs.
We want to maximize our saffron because it's one of the most expensive spices in the world. Okay? Like 0.2 or 0.3 grams is like 800 plus pesos already. That's not even 1 gram. Huh?
So kaya mahal yung paella dahil sa saffron.
That's definitely one of the things that make it expensive. But like the chorizo is also expensive. The seafood is also expensive.
Pag sinabing fire na, ibig sabihin, magluluto na kami. Sabay-sabay kami lahat, tapos umiikot yung instructor naming si Chef Francis para bantayan yung mga ginagawa namin. Laging may teaching moment kapag tinutukan ka na ni Chef, kaya doon mo talaga makukuha yung value ng cooking class.
Ba't yung sa akin may white-white, sa kanya hindi gano'n?
I'm not sure. Posibleng may mas moisture kasi yung mixture niya kanina. When it's dried up, then you start adding.
Okay.
We'll do the initial set in Restrepo, and then mamaya natin siya lalagyan. So we don't want the rice to be sticking to the pan yet. And then we shuffle it. Okay? Then fold. Fold one more. Opposite way. And fold one more.
Nag-ikot-ikot muna ako ulit habang hinihintay maluto yung kanin.
Nice and nice.
Chef, bakit mo ikaw ang ganda ng ako?
Siyempre, kasi ako naman without sister ginawa siya. You go inwards. As you go in, 1.5% yan. 1, and then do a half, another half, 2, half, done. Tapos, dapat paloob yung pag-pipe mo. Hawak mo eh. Gumawa niya. Then?
Wow!
Then?
Yes, I can. Kala ko si Ken.
Hindi, di ba yung pag-ano? So that we can just drape over a...
Kasi meal lang and then... go after you guys.
Okay, Mr. Rob, tara mag-young chow tayo. Don't do this. Chopping the rice. Use the long edges to just break apart the solid piece.
Hindi pa sa inyo.
Ay, sa atin yan?
Oo.
Pero
Tapos ako na lang.
pero kailangan na natin dapat po ba angat siya? Hindi ko alam.
Walang spoon. Sa croquettes?
Maliliit na lang.
Perfect na lang din tayo. Sabi ni Chef, ay sinaya ako kasi.
Ayan, nagta-toppings na ng paella yung kabilang group, pero sa akin, iniinin pa rin.
Ano kailangan mo, ha?
Okay, I will eat.
Sorry, for you.
Go na. Okay.
Ano natin to?
Ang galing mo, binabalansi mo talaga.
Feeling ko, hindi pa siya bad.
Ganda naman ang plating niyo.
That's so yummy.
Guys, sorry, hindi pa rin tapos. Thing 1, papa-wipe down ng area. Has to be clean. Included, guys.
Thing.
Linis na. Alam kong mabigat na yung mga paa
Thing.
nyo. Alam ko yung experience yan.
This is it. That's it.
Yeah!
So for context, in-explain ni Chef Francis kung anong naging challenges dito sa paella.
Just to let you know, kasi bakit parang kanina medyo nag-uusap-usap kami and there's something that seemed wrong that was happening. And there was. What was that? Parang yung kanin namin ayaw maluto. Which is, for me, alam kong mali na nangyari because after like 20 minutes, parang luto. Dapat hindi ganun. That's way too low. Okay? But anyway, what happened was, apparently kasi siguro yung stove kung saan kami, hindi balance yung init. This part, nahanginan siguro ng aircon, pero itong part na sobrang init gawa ng stock. Kaya itong part na ito luto na, pero ito literally bigas pa. Okay? So we had to do some mental gymnastics, turn it around, move it around. Okay? But at the same time, this also opens up the opportunity of you seeing what happens if there's something that's wrong. Kulang sa luto, ayaw pa luto, then you can add stock and then increase the heat. Usually kasi you'll bake this naka-foil, naka-tent pa rin yung parang ginawa nila kanina. Okay? Para mag-steam, maluto yung mga meats. Pero dahil wet yung mixture, dahil habol kami ng habol ng stock eh, hindi naluluto, yung palang kulang yung init. So init, naluto naman ng tama, medyo basa na. So, pasok sa oven, pero walang tent.
Hindi na ako makapakinig sa debriefing about the other dishes kasi busy pa ako mag-garnish ng niluto ko. And that's everything that happened on my 5th day as an FOC student. Sana nakatulong sa'yo kung may second thoughts ka pa about enrolling. Kapag nakadecide ka na, just message CACS dito. Banggitin nyo, nakita nyo kay Rosel yung video ha. Thank you for watching!
Ang init, hindi kumakain.